Well, greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. This one's going to be an unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing the Zoom M2 multi-track recorder. I'm super excited about this one. I haven't opened the box yet. This is, as usual, a true unboxing video, but this is a stereo microphone that is USB and has 32-bit float recording capabilities all built in. So let's just get right down to it. So here's the box that the M2 MicTrak recorder comes in. And we'll get that open. All right, instructions as usual. And so you see here we've got the microphone as well as the mic clip. And this looks to be a little bit beefier than a standard mic clip because the mic itself seems to be a little bit bigger than that. So we'll pull that out. What else we got? Windscreen, always important. It does not appear that there is a cable included with this, which is fine. We've definitely got plenty of mic cables, so I'll get that out of the way. Get the silica out of the way. So let's see what we got here with the microphone, because I've been reading the specs on this one. It's a fairly exciting piece of gear. So decent lightweight, actually. So this is going to be pretty portable. Back here we have the battery lock. So when we unscrew that, that allows us to open up the battery pack. So two AA batteries are going to power this if it's not plugged in with the USB cable. So that's kind of neat. And then we also have on here over here, you've got your line out, which you can use for your headphones, volume control on that. Here's your input for USB-C to power it, and that's also going to be how you would connect it to your computer if you're recording directly into that. And then you've got your standard functions here for recording, and then over here, menu button, and this is the part that I'm really excited about as well, is here's a slot for your micro SD card. According to what I've read about this, you can record to the SD card simultaneous with recording onto your computer, which is super cool. That's something that we haven't had on the F3, for example, the ability to record in 32-bit float on the SD card as well as into wherever you're recording into. So that's really nice. And then your typical record and hold there. So let's hook this up and see what we got. All right, so I've got the mic set up. When I hooked it into the computer using the USB-C to USB-A cable, it prompted me to do a bunch of different things, including language selection, setting the date and time, and inserting the batteries. Now, I don't have an internal SD card put into it right now, so I'm going to select the interface mode so that it will work with the computer, and then we'll record and see what we get. So I've muted my usual microphone and now the sound's coming through the M2. This is the quality that we're going to be getting from it, and again, we can record in 32-bit float on board and into the SD card even though we didn't install one. Super easy setup. I'll probably read the instructions eventually, but honestly I didn't need to. The microphone kind of told me what to do, and this is going to be a pretty useful piece of gear going forward. So thank you for watching our unboxing video. Check out the other videos in the channel, like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch up with you next time.
If you're facing a unique problem with podcasting or remote learning, we can help. Reach out to us at thepodcastingstore.com and we'll see what solutions we can find for you. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and sign up for our e-newsletter, and you'll never miss another podcast or video again. This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com. Thank you for listening.